Okay, so the first ingredient that you're going to use is this coconut flour. Let me just open it. Okay, so the coconut flour, we're just going to use half a cup of coconut flour. So I've got my measuring cup here and I only have a cup. So I don't know where my other stuff is, but anyway. So we're just going to measure half of this. Yeah. Now this is approximately half of a amount. So half cup of coconut flour. And the next thing is we're just going to use, they say the recipe has, you have to use like sugar. So I don't eat sugar. This is like a Banting. This is a Banting inspired, this is a Banting video, so definitely there won't be any sugar. So to replace the sugar, I'm using Xylitol. Okay, this is the Xylitol. If you want to know where I get all these ingredients, I'll leave all the information down below. So I'm supposed to use 1 cup of granulated sucrose, but with Xylitol it's kind of a bit different. So I'm just gonna go use what's it called? I'm just gonna use a 1/4 cup. So okay, so here's the 1/4 cup. So the next thing is we need 1 cup of peanut butter. Okay, so the peanut butter that we're using does not have sugar. It only has, where's the ingredients? It only has emulsifier and salt and the ground nuts. So thereby it makes it Banting friendly. Okay, so we need to use a whole cup. So you just need to make sure that you read all the ingredients so that you don't end up using things that have sugar. It's a whole cup of peanut butter. So this one's, can't drop these ingredients, they're quite expensive. Okay, so this is a whole cup of peanut butter. We just add it here. There is no formula of putting the ingredients. You just need to just put them all in. And if you have a blender or anything, anything mechanical like that, you can quite use that. So I'm still waiting for my points from Marche so I can be able to have my hand mixer. Okay, so we put in half cup of coconut flour, 1 cup of, instead of 1 cup of sucrose, we put in quarter cup of xylitol, and then we put in 1 cup of peanut butter. Now we need to put 3 eggs. So I have my eggs here. Okay, so there's no formula when it comes to the eggs, guys. Eggs are just eggs. Next egg is a quarter teaspoon of salt. Okay, I really don't have to measure this, to be honest. I'm just putting in my hand. I'm just putting a little bit in my hand. Alright. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is this one. You can see it's vanilla essence. I'm supposed to put 1 teaspoon. So instead of buying the vanilla extract, I bought vanilla essence because that's the only thing I could get in our shops. But this one has no added sugar, just some flavorings and water, and some colorants as well. So for a teaspoon, yes, a teaspoon. Alright, so now that we put all the ingredients, it's just time to mix. I'm going to mix with my fork. Oh, I keep putting my dough all over. Okay, so you're supposed to mix it until it becomes dough. Oh, I can't wait to get my mixer. So Marche has this promotion where you count your points up until you get like a mixer, a baking tray, whatever stuff. I usually get, last time I got quarts. I'm done with mixing. Now I'm gonna go put on some oil on my hands. I'm just gonna put on olive oil. I just put on olive oil on my hands. Now all I need to do is just put it on the tray. I don't have a baking tray, so I just use my oven tray, which works as well. So I'm just gonna use a teaspoon. Okay, teaspoon or whatever. Just a spoon to take a little bit, put it in my hands, and then roll it. Okay, I just need to take a little bit. Okay, so now that I'm done putting them all on my tray, all I need to do is flatten them. So I'm just gonna use a fork, right? Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flatten them. Now I'm done flattening them all. I'm just gonna go wash my hands, and then we can put this in the tray together. I already preheated my oven at 250 degrees. So yeah. Then we put on a light so we can see our little cookies. Now we just have to wait for 17 minutes or so. I'm just gonna go set that on my phone. So now it's been 15 minutes and we just need to check on our... Ooh, yeah, they're already done.
It's in my face.
Sorry, Papa. Okay. Okay, so now we are done. I'm just gonna go remove them and put them in a little basin.